It takes a special person to want to help someone at their lowest moment or their most difficult moment in their life. But that's exactly what this industry is all about. And that special person is you. But how can you help when someone has lost their loved one? Or when there was a serious injury in their home? How can you be respectful of the situation while also cleaning and maintaining the health and safety of all parties involved? We invite you to join our IICRC Trauma and Crime Scene Technician Certification course at Reets Drying Academy. Train your team in the proper procedures of cleaning while also keeping in mind health and safety, IICRC standards, OSHA regulations, and good customer service. This course is the definition of hands-on. It's taught by David Hodge. David was an EMT and a firefighter, as well as a restoration professional for many years before becoming an IICRC instructor. He'll use real-world situations to show you or your technicians what to do, how to do it, why it needs to be done, and even discuss some billing for those services. When you leave class, you'll leave with at least these 4 things: an IICRC TCST and HST certification, a Bloodborne Pathogen designation on your certificate, and an OSHA 10-hour general industry card. So, come join us here in Sharpsburg, Georgia for this class. We look forward to meeting you soon. To book the class today, visit our website, reetsdryingacademy.com, or click the link at the end of the video.